Does this building look straight to you?
No.
So I named this building, we have a sign going up next week. I named this building Eileen. E-I-L-E-E-N. That's the branding, right? Because after having spent an ungodly amount of money on this renovation and stabilizing it, and I'll tell you more once we go inside about what went into this renovation, but it's to this day the most ridiculous project that I never want to do again. The building was so severely neglected and crooked that to fully make it straight would have been a feat of engineering that's far beyond anybody I've met. Right? You would have had to get cranes and pull it in 3 different directions. So we leveled it out probably 90%, especially on the second floor. You had a 6-inch difference in a single room between 2 walls, right? But on the outside, it's still crooked, and so now instead of trying to mask it, we're gonna own it, right? What did we do with all of our terrible flaws and things we're insecure about? We flaunt that shit, right? So we're gonna own it. It's Eileen, and it's part of the character. And you'll see, if you pay close attention inside, especially in the commercial spaces, you'll see some of the craziness that we had to do to kind of mask the severe leaning. So we're gonna go into the yoga studio first.